I went shopping for a zippered hoodie, but they only had the color I liked without a zipper. But of course, with a sewing machine, that's an easy fix. I started by marking the center front with my heat erasable pen and a ruler. Then I proceeded to cut up my brand new hoodie. With that out of the way, I used my seam ripper to undo the stitches that hold the hood in place at the front. This is stretchy fabric, so it won't unravel, meaning that I don't need to do anything to protect the raw edges. I placed the zipper right sides together onto the front of the hoodie, making sure the top and the bottom line up nicely. I clipped it in place and used my zipper foot to sew close to the zipper teeth. I did the same on the other side, again placing the zipper right sides together and making sure it lines up on both the top and the bottom. I flipped the zipper to the inside of the hoodie and sewed the second line of stitching close to the edge of the fabric. This keeps the zipper lying nice and flat. By the way, doing this automatically turned the big front pocket into two smaller pockets. The hood originally overlapped a bit on the front, so now it's too big. I could remove the whole thing and make it a bit smaller, but I went another way. I opened up the front seams a bit more and added a pleat in the hood on both sides. So I clipped and sewed it back in place. This takes care of the extra fabric and now the front lines up nicely. Finally, I decided to replace the drawstring with a black one, because that way the black zipper looks like it really belongs there. I put a safety pin through the end of both the old and the new drawstring and used the old one to pull the new one into place. I added some knots on the ends, and that's it. One zippered hoodie. This is an easy one, so I hope next time you can't find what you're looking for, you'll find something close enough and make it work. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.